The next topic which we are going to cover under polynomials is zeros of a polynomial. Now, before discussing zero of a polynomial, firstly you should know the meaning of value of a polynomial at a given point. Suppose a polynomial is given to you. Let us write it as, suppose this polynomial is px. It is given to you 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Then if I ask you what will be the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 1, fine, that means wherever x is there, there I have to write 1. So at place of px now I will write p1. So 5 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. This will be 5 minus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 5 will be 12 minus 3, that is 9. So I can say the value of this px at x is equal to 1 is 9. That means when I substituted the value of x as 1, I got the answer as 9. Fine. Similarly, this concept we are going to use in the 0. Fine. 0 means that in the given polynomial, what value should I put that the answer should come out to be 0. Fine. Suppose I take a simple example. Let us take 2x plus 3. Fine. I am asking what can be the 0 of this polynomial. That means what value of x should I put that the answer should come out to be 0. Now how we can find out? Let us put it equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 3. X is minus 3 by 2. Now if I put x minus 3 by 2 in this, 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So what I will get? 0. That means the value of x is equal to whatever value we are getting. It is the 0 of this polynomial. Means you have to find out what can be the value of x or y according to the question. That what value should I put in the polynomial that my answer should come out equals to 0. And that value, how do we find out? We firstly keep it equal to 0 and then we find out the value of x or y as per the question. Fine. Let us discuss one example from your book only. The question says, check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. The polynomial is given as x plus 2 and we have to check 2 and minus 2. Are these the zeros? So firstly check for 2. If I put x as 2, 2 plus 2, it is 4. The answer is not 0. So this cannot be the 0. Let us try another. Minus 2 plus 2, at place of x I have put minus 2. Answer will be 0. That means yes, this is the 0 of this polynomial. Fine. So two types of question can come. One can be for checking. One can be for finding out the 0 of a polynomial. And one more thing to note, that we call the zeros as, we can call them as roots also. Zeros of a polynomial or roots of a polynomial. Fine. I hope the things are clear. Zeros or roots means the value of the variable. After putting that value, I should get the answer as 0. That value will be called as the 0 or root of that particular polynomial. Fine. Picked up one example, or you may say one question from the exercise also. Find the 0 where px is given to you 3x. Fine. Now I told you how to find out. Just put it equal to 0. So what I will get? X is equal to 0. Fine. Similarly, you have one more. Ax is equal to 0 and it's written a cannot be equal to 0. We know that when the product of two terms is 0 and I am saying this is non-zero, that means surely this is 0. So here also the value of x will be 0. That means I can say the 0 for this polynomial is 0 only. Fine.